at Minecraft. Jackson, come here. Come to Nikki. Jackson, come to Nikki.
I am the authority.
Wait, Cora, smile. Thumbnail. Hey,
Stop.
puppet.
No.
Hello.
I'm the authority. I got that on tape.
Hey, stop. Oh, that was the cutest thing ever. Bro. Do it again. Don't come after me. I will protect myself up here. No, Jack, stay down! Or I cut all of her hair off.
It was an accident.
No, look that way. You kind of look like a boy. Hi, Jackson. What's up? Do you want to go? I want you to stay. I'll get out of the garbage. No. Look at him! Ah! He jumped out. That's what he's gonna do. So Cora, she was talking to me, and I got scared because he was like doing that puppy face where he was gonna like bite something, and I was like, oh, and I hurt my knee, and she was like, he's a puppy, what's he gonna do? And she's all scared. He's a puppy, Cora. What's he gonna do?